Let's go and make something.
385. Here is one of the issues I do run into every so often. This piece of ply here is 1220 wide, and I want to cut off 385, which is there. I can't do it one way because it hits too long on this side and it'll hit the house pile. So I'm now going to reverse it. 385 this way, and I don't know if I've got enough, which I doubt it. 385. Just leaving 800, and I can only do 700 out that way. So that's just leaving the one option of track saw again. I want a 385 there, 385 here. Interfere with that. So all I've done is raised it up, so it's just a couple of mils now below the actual bed of the table saw. I'm guessing like 3 millimeters at the most, and I've cut it into 3 pieces, leaving enough room for the mitre slots. That way I can still use all my sleds with no issues, and as well as it's actually better. It's not so much of a drop now. So anyway, thanks for watching. Kia kaha. Stay strong. We'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.